Go ahead. Go ahead. Make sure you don't inhale.
You're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it.
August was filled with new beginnings for us. For starters, Ty was working from home, and we were on our own, full-timing it in the RV. We tried to focus our efforts on getting unpacked so that we can be as comfortable as possible. We kind of forgot about groceries, but we did have the essentials. Here's a fast-forward look at our August. There was COVID testing, vegan meat trying. We celebrated the accomplishments of the 2020 graduates. This applause is for all of you. My grandmother did this. Hold up. Yep. The bugs were evolving. Yep. That is moving larvae in the bathroom trash can. The stores had nothing to stop them or prevent them from expanding. Who am I kidding? The stores was out of almost everything. And then this guy moved in. Jehovah sure has a way of balancing out the ecosystem. Look at that. How big that thing is. Look, it's like the size of the emblem on the side of the trailer. Can you send a picture and see if this thing is like poisonous? Well, when you have low speeds in your trailer, this is how you live your afternoon. Here we are on our way to the beach, midweek. Most people wore masks. These people did not. Now this is a work day. We got picked up by Amazon, we got cut from Amazon. But you all can help us get paid for our videos just by liking and subscribing to our channel. Okay. So after getting your braces done, or your scan for your braces, I'm gonna get some ice cream. Ready?
Captain Crunch. It didn't blend well, but we'll see how it tastes. Captain Crunch.
Three.
No, back up so I can get the bridge. Okay. Ty, back up so I can get the bridge.
No.
You can't really see it. That's my drink. Ty! Go over. You can do it. Come on. Ty. You scared of birds?
Yeah, dude.
Come on. Hold it.
I'm not holding it.
Ty, reach over there and hold it.
I'm not crazy like JJ.
Don't be. You're moving. You're being a scaredy cat.
Yeah. I'm done now.
I made stuffed island cupcakes. Ty made macadamia nut cookies in the microwave. Yep.
So I blow it first and then put it in?
Well, we're back where we started. Today is our anniversary party, and this year it's just going to be the two of us. Are you wondering what Ty is doing?
Give you a world woolly hours. Can't sound.
What?
No pictures.
Huh?
No pictures.
Taking all the pictures. What are you doing there?
Touch my leg with it.
With what? With the pipe?
Hot. That's gonna burn good.
How are you enjoying yourself?
You record?
I am recording.
Alright. Ooh, I'm not hot. You can hold it, right?